Our climate action plan is an ambitious plan to get our whole Columbus community to carbon neutral by 2050, making substantial reductions by 2030. All of that we're doing with a real focus on centering the work in equity and environmental justice and anti-racism.
We were approached by the city of Columbus to ensure that every voice was heard as they were creating their Columbus Climate Action Plan. And that was really important because you went beyond the typical people who would provide input for a climate action plan. So one of our community advocates sat in our lobby and talked to people about the climate action plan, and also went out into the community to get people's true feelings on what initiatives their neighborhoods would need for the climate action plan. It's acknowledging that typically it's the people who can least afford it that bear the brunt of everything that we try and do. So it's really taking that look and saying we want everyone at the table, not just the privileged few.
Certainly we had lots of public hearings, lots of opportunity for public input, hearing from our constituent groups, so those environmental groups that are important partnerships, working together to formulate a document and achieve a goal that not only is sustainable, excuse the pun, but also one that can be achieved.
What we are looking at is making sure that every family and every neighborhood is sharing in our success. And climate change is a social justice issue, and it is disproportionately negatively impacting communities of color and poor neighbors and neighborhoods in our city. There's a higher cost to them, both financially and in quality of life that climate change creates. And so we need to do everything in our power to fight climate change and to make for more resilient neighborhoods and communities. And that's why I'm so proud of our climate action plan. The first climate action plan for the city of Columbus is in place, and we're aggressively going after fighting climate change and building resiliency in neighborhoods.